I'm having a banana baking emergency.
Banana baking emergency? Ooh, come on. Let's ski-doo. Here we go.
Hi there, I'm the banana baker, and this is my bakery. I'm trying to make monkey muffins.
Monkey muffins? Ooh, now that sounds pretty good.
See, I have flour, milk, a tablespoon of sugar, but I need 10 bananas, but I only have 3. Will you help me, please?
Of course we'll help. Will you help? Great. Okay, so we need more bananas for our monkey baker. So, let's grab some bananas.
How many bananas are in this bunch?
4.
Yes, thanks. 4.
Okay, let's see here. We need 10 bananas, and one bunch has 3, and one has 4. How many bananas do we have together? Let's count them and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 bananas. But we need 10. Do we have enough?
Nope.
No. We need more bananas.
How many bananas are in this bunch? 3. Yeah, thanks. 3.
Okay. So how many bananas do we have now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, we had 7, plus 3, equals 10. So, do we have enough bananas?
Yes.
Yes, we do. We have 10 bananas. Great counting.
I'm bananas about baking. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome, Banana Baker. Come on, let's go check on the bibinka. See you later.